Welcome to the RadioPro series of online videos. RadioPro is a set of radio over IP software applications that run on Windows PCs and notebooks, as well as iOS and Android devices to enable you to communicate with two-way radio users. This how-to video for RadioPro Dispatch will discuss some important aspects of configuration files used by the application software. Specifically, layout configuration files and the alias table file will be discussed. Additional RadioPro how-to videos can be found on our website at ctiproducts.com. These how-to videos can also be viewed at youtube.com by searching for CTI RadioPro. This search will list the RadioPro channel. Select the RadioPro channel and you will see the product videos. Normally, the configuration files associated with RadioPro Dispatch should never be opened manually or edited. However, there are two instances when this rule can be broken. The first instance concerns the layout configuration files. If RadioPro Dispatch opens with an incorrect layout, first try to open the correct layout using the File menu. After clicking on the File menu item, choose Open, and then select the layout name from the file list. The layout name will have an extension of TDCFG. But if the correct layout name is not listed, use Windows File Search to locate the file. First, open a File Explorer window by using the key combination of Windows logo key and the E key. In the panel on the left side, click on the C drive. Then in the search box in the upper right corner, type TDCFG. Under each one, the location of the file will be included. To quickly open the folder location for one of the files, right-click on a file and from the drop-down menu, choose Open File Location. Note that two files are associated with a layout name. One file has an extension of TDCFG and the other is an XML document. Both files are needed by RadioPro Dispatch. So if it is necessary to move these files to a different location, be certain to move both the TDCFG file and the XML file. Once the correct layout files have been located, again use the File, Open menu item to navigate to the correct location and then open the layout. Never edit the layout configuration files. Editing these files will result in unintended consequences. More information about the layout configuration files can be found in the RadioPro Dispatch Installation and Configuration Guide, document number S2-61785. In the table of contents, look for Appendix and then choose Configuration Files. Another configuration file that may need to be located is the Alias Table file. There are two methods for entering alias names that are to be associated with particular radio IDs. If the number of alias names is small, then it might make sense to enter them manually. Do this by using the Options menu, and then from the drop-down list, choose Contacts. The Subscriber Contacts window that opens has two sections. The left side pertains to groups of subscriber contacts, and the right side pertains to individual subscriber contacts. First, using the left side, create a group that subscriber contacts should be associated with. If you wish that individual subscriber contacts be associated with the All group as depicted on the Subscribers panel, create a group called All. Multiple groups can be created, and the subscriber contact can be associated with multiple groups. Next, using the right side, add a subscriber contact by entering a radio ID and then choose the type of radio contact the alias name, and the assigned channel. Use Auto if the subscriber contact might use multiple channels. When all subscriber contacts have been entered, click the Save button. An alternative method for entering radio alias names is useful if the number of aliases is large. In this case, the alias table file can be edited directly using an application such as Microsoft Excel. To open the alias table file for editing, from the Subscriber Contacts window, click the link in the lower left corner. After the folder containing this file is opened, double-click on aliastable.csv to open the file. The alias table file is a cross-reference that lists radio IDs along with alias names for those IDs, as well as other important parameters. For other important information about the alias table file, see the RadioPro Dispatch Installation and Configuration Guide, document number S2-61785. In the table of contents, look for Appendix and then choose Configuration Files. Thanks for watching.